In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log into your Gmail account. To begin, open a web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, go to Gmail by typing gmail.com, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Google sign-in page for Gmail. If Gmail loads slowly, give it a moment to finish, since the sign-in page may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the sign-in page appears, you may see an account chooser screen. This happens when Google detects that one or more accounts have been used on this browser before. On this screen, you will see a list of accounts. Select the account you want to use by clicking on it. If you are on a shared or public computer, take an extra second to make sure you are choosing the correct account, so you do not accidentally sign in to the wrong inbox. After you select the account, you will be taken to the password screen. Click in the password field to place your cursor there. Then type your password carefully. As you type, the characters will be hidden for security. Take your time and pay attention to capitalization, since passwords are case-sensitive. If your keyboard has caps lock turned on, that can cause a password to be entered incorrectly, so it is a good idea to confirm caps lock is off before you continue. When you have finished entering your password, move to the bottom of the sign-in box and click Next. Google will verify your information, and then it will redirect you into your Gmail inbox. Depending on your account settings, you may also be asked to complete an additional verification step. If that appears, follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in. Once the inbox loads, you are successfully logged in and ready to read and send emails. That covers everything you need to know.